Alright, I'm out here again on the trail with Junior, and we came across the trash dump, and you can tell by his head setting his ears he's a little concerned about it. Appears to be a couple hot water heaters dumped out here in the desert. It's a doggone shame somebody has to do that, but it's kind of beneficial to us right now. We're going to use it for a training aid. I'm going to urge Junior forward, and when he decides he wants to stop, take a little break on it, maybe ask him to drop his head, try to get him relaxed, and get him used to that side of those pieces of big metal out there. And then I'm going to ask him to go forward a little bit more. And every time he wants to stop, I'm going to go ahead and let him stop. Hopefully let him figure it out on his own. If I made him go at my pace up to see this junk up here, it's just going to cause him more anxiety, and it's just not going to benefit a willing relationship between me and him. So push him forward again when he seems about ready, and ultimately I want to get him up here where he'll drop his nose and figure out that these things just ain't going to hurt him. You're alright, partner. Drop your nose. Drop your nose. Don't step on it. There you go. Good horse.